Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Chris. I'm in the kitchen and I've got some ramen.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Some of you may have seen the video where I unboxed this and now I'm gonna make it. So Ramen Hero sent me 2 of their different flavors of ramen. I haven't tried it before and I wanna put it together and see how it is. So it's called Creamy Vegan Miso Ramen. This is by a brand called Ramen Hero. And it's called Miso Impossible. We're gonna figure out how to put it together. The other flavor is vegan shoyu ramen. I'm gonna make one right now and you'll see me make the other one. I'll probably make it tomorrow, which will be today for you. Both videos you'll be able to see right here. They both sound good, so it doesn't really matter which one I pick. The shoyu ramen. Shoyu ramen. All right, I'm gonna put the other one back in the refrigerator. So I guess you can just order these and they'll send them like this to you. It says vegan right on it. Okay, cooking instructions. Well, let's just show what that looks like first of all. Boil water. All right, water's on the stove, it's heating up. Heat broth and toppings. There's nori seaweed in here, so set that aside, don't boil it. I guess you can take the bag that's already in here. Let's put on our apron. All right. Let's see what comes inside here. Okay, there's the nori. Here are some toppings. I'm not really, we got a tomato. I'm not sure what everything else is. It looks like a cucumber or a pickle, maybe carrot, and then this right here, I'm not sure, maybe a vegan meat or something. The noodles, the ramen itself right here, and the soup broth right here. Vegan shoyu soup broth. So this right here, I'm assuming is clean. I'm gonna put it in the boiling water, like it says, just like that. You could probably, you know, obviously heat up another thing of water if you wanted to do that. I was thinking maybe even cutting that open and heating it up on a cast iron or something like that. Okay, let's see what the rest of the instructions say. So they want this to go in the boiling water as well. Okay. Both of them go in the boiling water. Cook noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes. Drain them through a strainer and then creatively place everything in a bowl. Okay, so this is easy. This is a bowl that my friend gave me. She actually, if I remember right, got this from someone who made it handmade in Iceland, and she ended up moving over to Iceland, and when she left, she gave me a bunch of her ceramics. So I love this bowl. I'm not a huge fan of nori, but they're really nutritious. It's really good for you. Sometimes I can do it, other times I can't. But I'm gonna place it in there anyway just to make it look good, and I'm gonna try to eat it. I'm really picky. I can't do mushrooms and only sometimes nori. Sometimes I can't stomach it. You got the scissors that are apparently not that sharp. Come on, you can do it. There we go. Yep, smells like nori. All right, on second inspection of the instructions, it says get a separate pot of water, boiling water for the noodles. So that's what I did. I got another pot going and we're gonna dunk these noodles. So let's cut that open with our dull scissors. We're gonna put that right in there. And now that's just gonna boil for about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Guys, I love ramen noodles and I often make my own. There is no ramen place around here, no vegan ramen place around where I live, but when I get to go out to California or even New York City, I like to hit up Ramen Hood. It's an all vegan ramen place. It's super good ramen. I'm gonna go check on my ramen. We got the hot bag of liquid. We don't wanna burn ourselves. It even says the liquid is very hot, and I believe them. And then these are our toppings, nice and cooked. Still not sure what the middle thing is. I wonder if it's like some kind of mushroom thinger. All right, and our ramen is cooked, so I'm gonna strain that over here at the sink. Because now we get to assemble the ramen. I don't trust these scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna put the ramen right in there first. It's all nice and strained. Let's be careful here, and let's cut a little corner here. It is really hot. But what do you expect when you dunk something in boiling water? Fill that up. Ramen. Okay. Now for our toppings. Carefully cut that. Okay, let's take some of this out of here. There's a tomato. I'm so excited. I have these tomatoes grew on my tomato plant, and some bigger salad tomatoes too. They're so good. Yeah, this looks like, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like vegan meat. Some of this, some of that. I don't know if that's that's probably zucchini and pepper. And then we have our nori. Yeah, let's cut it like that. And there's my ramen. How's it look? Smells really good. What? 5-10 minutes? Okay, so we have to see how it tastes now. It looks good. That's some legit ramen. Noodles are good. The broth is good. Let's see what this is right here. Cut a little bit of that off. It's vegan meat. It kind of tastes a little bit like vegan sausage. This is tasty. Ramen for one. Stay tuned and I'll be making the next one. All right, I'm back. It's another day and we have one more ramen noodle, which is creamy vegan miso ramen. So I know how to make it now. It should be very, very fast. Let's see what's in this one. We got our noodles. By the way, I want to say when I first looked at these, I thought, wow, there's barely any in here. But once you put it in the water and it starts boiling, it expands and there's definitely enough. All right, we have the nori again. Looks like pretty much the same stuff, the tomato, the vegan meat, looks like the zucchini and the peppers. And then this is the new bag, which I have water already boiling. So I'm just gonna take these and dunk them in there. We gotta open the ramen. Now I will say there's a bunch of packaging in this, so it would be interesting if they could find an alternative to that. All right, in the boiling water it goes, 2 to 3 minutes. Ramen noodles. Now we got our bag of hot liquid, which we're gonna pour in there. Careful, because it is hot. And just like that. Oh, it is nice and creamy miso-y. Okay. We want it to look good. All right, well, we're gonna open our toppings now. We got the tomato. Oops, that's where the vegan meat goes. And let's make this look a little prettier than that. I will say that last one I had was delicious, and I'm excited to try this one. So there it is, that's what it looks like in the bowl. All right, I guess I should try it out now. It's really, really good. I don't know which one I like better. They're both delicious. And as you can see, the noodles kind of soaked up a lot of the broth. When I first put it in there, it was kind of like overwhelming, but now it's perfect. Look at that. Anyway, there it is. It was super simple to make. Only took a few minutes. It's delicious. Never had this brand before until now, and I like it. Ramen Hero. So again, like I said, if you guys are looking for some really delicious ramen, vegan ramen, and you might not have a restaurant that sells it near you, or you just don't feel like making it on your own, this is always a possibility. You can check them out. I'm not sure how to order. I'm not even sure how much these cost. They sent me a couple packages of these to try out, but other than that, this is not a sponsored video. I think it's really good. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you guys liked it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notifications. You don't miss my videos, and other than that, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.